Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetradingsystems.com. This video I'm making about the trades taken last week. I didn't get a chance. Over the weekend was very busy and then so anyway, so let's get started. The week last week started on the 30th May 30th. So this is one of the trade started on May 30th, pound yen. And as you know that I had yen index chart showing that it's going to go up big time for WIP5 and all yen pairs going to go up. I'll show you at the end. Let me quickly show you that this is it. This is the chart and we are here as of today. So this chart produced so many trades and all big ones and all 6 yen pairs. So I'm going to show you. I only used 3 pairs and I have almost like 12 to 15 trades, all big one. All yen pairs, pound yen, USD yen, and Aussie yen. So anyway, let's go back to the trade. So pound yen, 80 pip to the upside on the 30th. On the 30th, USD yen, like I said, they all went up. USD yen 20-minute chart, 65 pip to the, on 30th, right? And 30th, this is Bitcoin. It went up and then came down again, but every time it gives you a long setup, you can just take it and then take advantage and then get in, get out kind of thing. On the 30th, see this CAD is very strong because of the oil problem. So pound CAD down on 30th for 100 pip. Beautiful by the book entry. Every single entry is by the book. I have to have the setup before I pull the trigger. Euro-CAD also went down, beautiful short setup for 70 pip on the 30th. So many trades on the 30th. 31st, USD yen, like I said, all yen pair went up big time. Even today, I had 2 trades on yen, big one. I'll show you at the end. So USD yen, 70 pip to the upside on the 31st. Pound yen again. This was the one I showed you for, on the 30th, yesterday. Not yesterday, but 30th, right? And then this is the next day, 31st, for 85 pip to the long side. Aussie yen now coming into play, 60 pip to the upside. From here to here. I also had from here to here. I guess some here I closed it. I went up on even more than that, but it's okay. That was last week. So now this week, pound yen again. I just showed you this one, and then now this one. For on the June 1st, 65 pip. Euro Aussie, that was short taken here, and I held it because it came down, it went up, and I didn't have much margin here. So I said, well, the hell with it, I'm going to just hold it and see what happened. And then boom, it went down 135 pip. And pound Aussie, similar, same thing, same situation. I shorted pound Aussie and Euro Aussie at the same time. So it went down also because of the Aussie strength, of course, and then it went up and then, not much profit. So I didn't close that day. And then the next day, boom, for 210 pip, big trade. This is monster. It moves very, very. Now, pound CAD again, I just showed you this one, right? And after that, this is for 150 pip. By the book entry. This was an entry too, but I missed it, or I was in the trade, I don't know. But I took this one and all the way down, 150. On the first, pound USD, short and gone. I even posted on the Telegram as well. USD yen again, third trade, the first one, second one, third one, 75 pip on June 1st. Like I said, they all went up because of this one chart here, just one chart. All right, so let me see again. So after that, I had a Euro CAD. CAD is strong, yen is very weak. Even though I didn't trade CAD yen, it went up big time, 500-600 pip. But I was doing pound yen, USD and Aussie yen, so I was okay. Only you can do so much, right? So 100 pip here, Euro CAD to the downside. Aussie yen again. See this one, the first one, the second one, this is the third one for 85 pip again. Every time you can simply take these entries. That's it. This was an entry too. This was an entry too. And every time you have an entry with rules, and you can see that it just goes up. Euro USD on the first drop, 70 pip. And Aussie yen again, I just showed you this one, this one, this one, and now this one on the June 2nd, 100 pip again, right? Just because of the Aussie index chart, I was just longing these things. Now USD-CAD, CAD is a strong, yen weak, so that's what happened. All CAD pairs down and all yen pairs up. So USD-CAD here for 85 pip to the downside. Pound CAD, like I said, all CAD pairs down. So this was the trade I showed you, and now this is the second one. So these are the only, it's like almost 20 trades, mostly yen and CAD, because they are moving big time. Now yen index, let me show you that my chart was this, and as of today, a little while ago, I recorded the chart, and we are here. This produced so many trades. Even this week, I have a lot of trades. And currently, today, the one I closed just today, already closed of this USD yen. I showed you these, right? This is the one. You see that buy entry here, 170 pip on it today. And look at this one, Aussie yen. I showed you all these trades, and this is the one. This one I closed here, but I got it here, 150 pip now on it. I already closed it. Enough is enough, right? So this is how the system works. And if you like what you saw, you're going to go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com. Right here, the name is, and subscribe, get the system, learn how to use it, and start getting into trading like this. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week.